Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market as usual on Monday. So here we have setup that we are following right now for approximately second week. Probably this will be because we have the reverse hand and shoulders on the daily, and we still continue our journey with this pattern. So, but as usual, we start from the weekly chart. On the weekly, as you can see, market has shown nice performance from the last week. So you can see it's upward action. Well, it's not bad actually. If you remember, the hash rate indicator shows the buy signal because the hash rate starts to rise, and it indicates the final moment of the miner's capitulation, that miners again starts to increase its power and hash rate starts rising, which gives the signal after the slowdown of this moment. So that's the point on the weekly chart. We have the bullish context. Besides, you'll take a look at the MACD indicator. You'll see that here we do not have the grabber. This is close and high was below the line, and this week is already starting above the MACD. So we have unconfirmed but still bullish trend in the beginning of the week. So we have confirmed trend is bearish, but here is chances that market will shift trend to the bullish on this week. So that's what we have on the weekly chart. On a daily, we continue our action with the hand and shoulders pattern, and currently, guys, market shows the performance that makes me think that chances on upward continuation are really not bad. So take a look what really has happened. First, we need to consider the levels, fib levels, from this top to this bottom. So that was the levels that we initially started with when we started talking about this hand and shoulders pattern. Let's take a look. Market shows reaching of the target of the hand and shoulder. It's OP, AB equals CD based on the head and shoulder, spiking up to the 618 resistance and drop down. So recall what we said on previous week. We said here's will be additional 30% resistance of this top, from this top. But market easily passed through it, significant distance, and now take a look at it, retest the neckline and hold above it. So this is very important. It's a good sign for the market because neckline has been retested and market was able to stand above it. And take a look, what's more important is that it has formed bullish reversal upward action. So overall performance here has the bullish sentiment, and we suggest that sooner or later, but probably markets at least should make the challenge and attempt to continue right up to the XOP target. Well, XOP will be around 89 approximately. It agrees with the next 618 resistance level, so 89.25. So XOP is 1618 extension based on this hand and shoulder resistance, also at the same area. So that's potential next destination point. Trend here stands also bullish, as you can see, and market is not at overbought currently. So after this consolidation, we suggest that some upward action could happen. Speaking about this upward continuation, personally I like the idea of this pattern. So we have potential butterfly pattern here could be formed. And what is more interesting, that if you will calculate the extension of the butterflies, 1618 stands precisely at 89.60. So it agrees as with the major fib level, as with the daily XOP target of the hand and shoulders. At the same time, currently, if you will put the MACD predictor here, you will see that multiple grabbers have been formed on the way up here, and it means that market should take it out of these lows. That makes us to expect some kind of the ABCD action down before upward action will start. And from that standpoint of view, I suggest that market should show a bit deeper retracement. Final moment here is this point. This is an validation point for the bullish scenario. Market has to hold above it to keep the bullish setup that we have talked about, because this A point, this is not stands in relation to the butterfly, but also it has a relation to the hand and shoulders, because recall that this is retested the neckline. So market drop below the neckline again, this will be very bad sign for the hand and shoulders pattern. That's why this is the crucial area, crucial point, and market has to hold about it anyway. So it means that today we could keep an eye on the hourly chart, watching for this downside A, B, C, D pattern. It's approximately 78.30 area, where this AB equals CD should be completed. Simultaneously, market will take out of these lows and complete the grabbers on the 4-hour time frame chart. And theoretically, precisely somewhere from this area, starting on the right wing of the butterfly, should happen. So that's approximately that we will keep an eye on. Simultaneously, this part of the pattern will take shape of the godless triple to buy. Take a look that our former analysis has worked pretty nice, because take a look right in this area that we have specified of this confidence support, upward action indeed has started. So from that standpoint, market behaves pretty accurately. So let's see what we will get on this week.